Ibtsam. All right, today we are going to go over verbs, okay? Let's see. All right. Verbs are words that show the action of the sentence. A verb is anything you can do. Here are some examples. Laugh, swim, like, run, sing, dance. I like dogs. The action in this sentence is like because it's something you can do. I like dogs. Like is the verb. Kyra dances to the music. What does Kyra do? She dances. On your paper, write down the verb in each sentence. To Sam sings loudly. Mary likes school. Open the book. Close the door. Mrs. Carey eats sweet food. I dance after school. Bob chews his food. Miss Baldwin listens carefully.